Namaskaram. Welcome to Kerala, God's own country, known for its lush greenery, serene backwaters, majestic temples, and vibrant Onam festival. Kerala has given us great personalities like R.K. Narayanan, Booker Prize winner Arundhati Roy, Queen of Track and Field P.T. Usha, and Anju Bobby George, who have made India proud. Its cuisine from delicious sadhya and appam to spicy Caribbean fry is a delight. Kerala's culture shines through its mesmerizing folk dances like Kathakali and Mohiniyattam. So let's welcome our talented students with loud applause.